we're out on a wet, misty afternoon, sea trialling the new 880. Usually we would specify with twin 250s as a maximum horsepower, but the customer on this occasion specifically after twin 300s to make this an extremely quick boat. We'll just give you a quick straight line run through of the pickup and acceleration and handling, so make sure you're holding on. It gets down the hole pretty quick. Yeah, paired with this Gemini offshore deep V hull, it is a phenomenal package. Whether you're going offshore or staying in coastal waters, this is the boat to do it in.